Welcome back to Science Click. Today, the electromagnetic field. Imagine two people in the void of space playing catch with a ball. When he throws the ball, the first person experiences a recoil because he passes momentum onto the ball. Similarly, when she receives it, the other person absorbs the motion of the ball and also experiences recoil. By throwing and catching the ball, the two individuals have repelled each other. They were motionless at first and are now in motion. If they continue to pass the ball, their speeds will increase each time, and they will move away from each other faster and faster. They behave as if they were experiencing a force. The action of the ball can be viewed as a force of repulsion. In nature, at the quantum scale, this phenomenon is at work between certain particles, such as electrons, which constantly exchange virtual photons. A virtual photon is a particle stemming from the laws of quantum physics, which can appear out of nothing, provided it disappears fast enough, such that we cannot detect it. A virtual photon has a certain energy, and the more energy it has, the shorter its lifetime. Therefore, the less energy a virtual photon has, the greater the distance it can travel. By exchanging virtual photons, electrons experience a repulsion, a force that pushes them away from each other, like the two people playing catch. This force is increasingly powerful as the distance between electrons shortens, because the virtual photons then have less distance to travel and can thus be more energetic. Many other particles exchange virtual photons, and their tendency to interact in this way is called the electric charge. The electron has an electric charge of -1 E is the basic unit for electric charge. A particle will have a certain multiple of this elementary brick. Some objects interact more than a single electron. We could imagine an object containing 2 electrons and whose electric charge would be -2 E. Moreover, some particles, like protons, interact with virtual photons in the opposite way. Their electric charge is positive. The charge of the proton, for instance, is +1 E. Just like with 2 electrons, 2 positively charged particles repel each other. However, a negative particle and a positive particle attract each other.